Yeah, the book is not satisfying for Agile software experts. First of all, because we don't talk nearly enough about Agile software development method. That has definitely come through. But the book is not about Agile software development methods. Additionally, the methods that we're using aren't actually applying every single thing that is used in Agile software development. And that's partly because this is a new field where the Agile methods that are being used in software have had 20 or 30 years to get more and more sophisticated. So, for instance, we don't ever mention cycle time in this book. It's not because we don't think it's relevant, it's because we have to start where people are. And they have to figure out what they can actually do, and then some more sophisticated ideas might be added later.